Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. Amma ba'd. This is the voice of Dr. Muhammad Iqbal, your course instructor in Education Policy and Planning, MA Education, Leadership and Management, Semester 2. Dear students, this is my lecture number 34. Lecture number 34 about 5th and 6th 5-year plans. I will discuss briefly about the targets and achievements of these two plans. Dear students, first of all, I will describe the definition of plan. A plan is a typically and a procedure used to achieve an objective. It is a set of intended actions through which one expects to achieve an objective. Now I will come towards the fifth 5-year plan in 1978 to 83. This plan was given by the martial law government of President Ziaul Haq, Chief Martial Administrator, who imposed martial law in July 1977. The fifth 5-year plan was formulated in 1977 by martial law government and launched in July 1978. The plan was launched in difficult economic and political condition. The Ziaul Haq government accorded more importance to planning. The priorities of this plan first priority was given to agriculture sector and water sector by investing 21.7% of total public expenditure are the plan expenditure. Next priority was given to the power sector by spending 18.8% of total public sector outlay. Investment in industrial and mining sector was fixed by 31.4% of total private sector outlay. The targets of this plan were to increase national income by 7.2% per annum, to create employment opportunities in the country, to increase in agriculture product by 6% and industrial production by 10%, increase in national saving by 10.6% and decline in foreign saving by 4.4% to achieve the target of $22 billion in export earning. Dear students, there were targets of this plan in education were: number 1, to reduce the dropout rate; then to improve in the quality of teaching and better supervision; then renovation and expansion of 17,166 existing schools, and in addition 12,641 new schools would be opened. So it means this was target. These targets continue. The selection of new schools would be based on detailed survey and mapping to ensure optimum locations. Village and mohalla mosques will be utilized to teach primary classes and classes 1 to 3. Buildings in urban areas will be more intensively utilized by increasing double shift working schools. These were the targets of education of this 5-year plan. Now I will come towards the achievement of this plan. Annual growth rate of 6% GNP per annum was achieved. The growth rate of 4% in agriculture was achieved as compared to the target of 6% per annum. Growth rate of 9.7% industrial sector was achieved. The target was 10% domestic savings increased to 8% of GDP. GDP mean the gross domestic product. अजीज तलबा, ये अचीवमेंट्स थी इस 5-year प्लान की. इस प्लान पर कुछ क्रिटिसिज्म भी है और so there was not long term investment in physical infrastructure as well as in human resource development. इस प्लान में दूसरे टारगेट्स के अलावा फिजिकल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट पर तवज्जो नहीं दी गई. द एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन एजुकेशन, मैन पावर एंड हेल्थ वर 90% of total plan allocation, but no improvement was there in these fields. So there was a misuse of resources. Dear students, now I will come towards the sixth 5-year plan 1983 to 88. The sixth 5-year plan presented in a significant shift towards the private sector. It was designed to tackle some of the major problems of economy like low investment and saving ratios, low agriculture productivity, heavy reliance on imported energy, and by spending on health and education, the economy grew at the targeted average of 6.5 during the plan period and has exceeded the target if it had not been for severe droughts in 1986 and 1987. The targets of sixth 5-year plan. The approval was given to the plan by National Economic Council at proper time. It was implemented also at the right time. Representative significant shift towards the private sector. यानी इस प्लान में पब्लिक से ज़्यादा प्राइवेट सेक्टर पर फोकस करने की कोशिश की गई और इसको इकोनॉमी में के मेजर प्रॉब्लम्स को हल करने के लिए इसमें तजवीज़ दी गई और तय किया गया. तो लो इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड सेविंग रेशियोज, एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्टिविटी, हैवी रिलायंस ऑन इंपोर्टेड एनर्जी, oil, and low spending on health and education. Total size of plan was fixed rupees 495 billion, which was more than twice the size of fifth 5-year plan. यानी ये 5 साल मंसूबे से दोगुना ज़्यादा था। आउट ऑफ विच ₹295 बिलियन and ₹200 billion were allocated to public and private sector respectively. The share of the public sector industries in public sector development program was therefore expected to decline from 15.6 to 5.1% as compared to fourth five-year plan. The targets about the primary education. प्राइमरी एजुकेशन के बारे में इस प्लान के टारगेट्स थे। पार्टिसिपेशन रेट ऑफ चिल्ड्रन इन प्राइमरी स्कूल इज टारगेटेड टू इंक्रीज फ्रॉम 48% टू 75%, यानी 48% से इसको 75% तक टारगेट इसका किया गया कि पंजाबी प्राइमरी लेवल पर तलबा को इसमें दाखिल किया जाए और यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ मास टू एकोमोडेट क्लासेस 1 to 3, यानी 1 to 3 इट मीन्स पहली 3 जमातों को मॉस्क स्कूलों में, मस्जिद स्कूलों में, मस्जिद मकतब स्कूलों में के लिए इस्तेमाल करने की तजवीज़ इसमें दी गई। प्रोविजन ऑफ स्कूल बिल्डिंग्स बोथ एग्जिस्टिंग एंड शेल्टरलेस स्कूल्स फॉर क्लासेस 4 and 5 एंड प्रोविजन ऑफ सेपरेट गर्ल्स स्कूल्स। तो इसमें पाँचवीं और चौथी और पाँचवीं क्लास के लिए सेपरेट और एग्जिस्टिंग स्कूलों के लिए शेल्टरलेस स्कूल जिनकी कोई बिल्डिंग थी उनके लिए बिल्डिंग्स बनाने का टारगेट दिया गया और तालिबात के लिए अलग प्राइमरी स्कूल कायम करने का टारगेट भी मुकर्रर किया गया। प्रोविजन ऑफ 2 टीचर्स इन ईच मास स्कूल इंक्लूडिंग द इमाम एंड 1 टीचर ईच फॉर क्लास 4 to 5। तो इसमें ये भी टारगेट दिया गया कि 2 टीचर्स को मास स्कूलों में इमाम साहब के बशमूल उसको तैनात किया गया और 1 टीचर ईच फॉर क्लास 4 and 5। और क्रिएशन ऑफ सेपरेट इम्प्लीमेंटेशन एजेंसी फॉर प्राइमरी एजुकेशन एट फेडरल लेवल, प्रोविंशियल लेवल एंड सबसीक्वेंट लेवल्स। इसमें यह भी तय किया गया कि प्राइमरी स्कूलों के लिए एक सेपरेट इम्प्लीमेंटेशन एजेंसी फेडरल लेवल पे, सूबाई लेवल पे, फेडरल, सूबाई और डिवीजन लेवल पे कायम की जाए और उसके बाद फिर ये प्राइमरी एजुकेशन को बाइफरकेट करते हुए अलग किया गया। अब आते हैं सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन की तरफ। Despite the diversity of educational requirements of students, there is a hard core of subjects including Islamiyat, Pakistan studies, language, mathematics and sciences. In view of the rapid technological advances resulting from scientific inventions and discoveries, study of a strong course in science and mathematics is becoming increasingly essential for all students. तो सेकेंडरी लेवल पे इस तरह की तरजीहात को तय किया गया साइंस सब्जेक्ट्स के और नई सब्जेक्ट्स को शामिल करने का कुछ इंदिया दिया गया। अटेम्प्ट टू रेज द एजुकेशनल लेवल ऑफ रूरल एरियाज़ के एजुकेशन लेवल को बुलंद करने के लिए तय किया गया और the highest priority in the proposed program is assigned to raising rural primary schools to middle standards to provide education up to 8th class, followed by the program of raising middle schools to high school standards. So इस प्लान में ये भी तय किया गया कि तमाम जो देहाती प्राइमरी स्कूल हैं उनको मिडिल स्कूलों का दर्जा दिया जाए और जो मिडिल स्कूल हैं उनको हाई स्कूलों का दर्जा दिया जाए। इस तरह तो प्रोग्राम ऑफ teaching agro-technical groups of subjects including training in arts, agriculture and commerce will be introduced. And the ongoing training programs in about 3,000 schools at the middle stage and 200 schools at the high stage. So इन स्कूलों के लिए ये प्रोग्राम शुरू किए गए. टीचर एजुकेशन. इस 5-year प्लान 5-year प्लान में टीचर एजुकेशन पर भी तवज्जो दी गई. इसके लिए जो टारगेट हैं, द प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी स्कूल टारगेट्स वुड रिक्वायर 40,000 imams and another 45,000 teachers प्राइमरी सेक्टर के लिए. And teacher training facilities are adequate for new teachers, but curricula will be redesigned. There are 71 institutions for training of primary and undergraduate secondary school teachers. So graduate teachers are trained in 14 colleges and 4 university departments. Institute of Education and Research of Universities of the Punjab, Sindh and Peshawar. And few training colleges offer courses in Master of Education. तो टीचर एजुकेशन पर इस तरह तवज्जो दी गई कि जो इन प्रोग्राम को टीचर्स की ट्रेनिंग के लिए एलिमेंट्री एजुकेशन कॉलेजेस को में और कॉलेजेस ऑफ एजुकेशन और आईईआरस में एमए एजुकेशन और इस तरह के अगले प्रोग्रामों का आगाज़ किया गया या उनको बेहतर बनाया गया और उनके निसाब को भी इम्प्रूव किया गया. Higher education and research. Universities will be the main beneficiaries of research and development. Program will be launched on a large scale in 6 5-year plan. Scientific research and technological development allocations are being increased for rupees 2 billion in the 5th plan to rupees 7,000 billion in 6 5-year. यानी जो साइंटिफिक रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट के लिए जो 5 साल मंसूबे के लिए सिर्फ 2 अरब रखे गए थे, अब उनको बढ़ाकर 7 अरब कर दिया गया. द 6th plan aims at creating certain specialized institutes of international standards and strengthening the capacity of the existing research and development institutes. तो इस तरह के रिसर्च और डेवलपमेंट के नए इंस्टीट्यूट को बेहतर बनाने और नए इंस्टीट्यूट कायम करने पर तवज्जो दी गई इस 5-year प्लान में. डिग्री लेवल एजुकेशन. The plan also proposes to encourage opening colleges in present sector, which shall also be granted considerable freedoms in matters of tuition fee and determining admissions criteria, while the government shall provide them official grants, financial grant assistance. So admission tests covering academic aptitude, communication skills, or proficiency in academic subjects proposed. Science laboratories and libraries shall be provided better equipment and latest books and journals. Our teachers shall be provided facilities and incentives to improve their qualifications to study at Pakistani and foreign universities. Research. Existing university campuses and facilities will be completed and improved. रिसर्च के हवाले से मौजूदा जो यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के कैंपसेस और उसमें उन फैसिलिटीज़ को न सिर्फ मुकम्मल किया जाएगा बल्कि बेहतर बनाया जाएगा. नो न्यू यूनिवर्सिटी विल बी ओपनड इन पब्लिक सेक्टर. पब्लिक सेक्टर में कोई नई यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं खोली जाएगी. अंडर ग्रेजुएट प्रोग्राम्स एट यूनिवर्सिटीज़ विल बी discontinued a system of admission test will be introduced. A selected university department will be developed into the Center of Advanced Studies. यानी यूनिवर्सिटियों के कुछ जो सेलेक्टेड डिपार्टमेंट शोबाजात को उनको सेंटर ऑफ एडवांस्ड स्टडीज़ की शक्ल दी जाएगी. प्राइवेटली एंडोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी for science and technology will be established with complete freedom. Scholarships to talented students, particularly in scientific fields, will be awarded. Expenditure will be determined by boards of education and the University Grants Commission. यानी रिसर्च के हवाले से जो अखराजात होंगे वो बोर्ड्स ऑफ एजुकेशन और यूनिवर्सिटी ग्रांट्स कमीशन देगा. नेशनल स्कॉलरशिप फाउंडेशन. Scholarship program will be provided financial assistance to students of all levels of education and for studies within the country and abroad. These scholarships will be financed through Zakat and Ushur funds and will be administered by a specially created foundation to be called the National Scholarship Foundation. This foundation will be managed by Board of Governors consisting of people drawn from all walks of life, including a large number of non-government members. So it is estimated that rupees 1,000 million may be spent during the 6 5-year period through the National Scholarship Foundation. Achievements and failures. So economy grew in targeted average of 6.5% during the plan period and would have exceeded the target if it had not been for the severe droughts in 1986 and 87. The industrial sector as a whole exhibited as a growth rate of 7.7% per annum against the plan targeted of 9.3% per annum. In 1984 and 85, manufacturing growth was about 8.6% after as a slow drop down last fiscal year, which was 8.1 during 1985 to 86. GDP for manufacturing output has been 19.9%. So during this year, the manufacturing is expected to grow by 88.2% as compared to 8.6% of previous years. यानी इस साल गुज़श्ता साल की निस्बत ये कम हुआ. The manufacturing output has grown by 7.4% in 1986 to 87 as compared to 7.5% in 85 and 86 years, and 1987 to 1988 show that the output has grown by 7.6% rate of growth in large scale industries during 1987 to 88 was 7.4. So अजीज तलबा, ये थे कुछ टारगेट्स 6 5-year प्लान के. इंशाल्लाह फिर किसी नेक्स्ट सेशन में आपसे बकिया 5-year प्लान्स पर बात होगी. थैंक यू. Very much for your time. Assalamu alaikum.